Welcome to 2066 McAllister. This is a lower level, full floor flat that's been remodeled, and it works as up to 7 rooms, sleeping rooms. I'm calling it a 6-bedroom with a spacious living room. And the first room here is the living room. And there's a big bay window that looks out onto McAllister Street. See, it's a nice sized room. Throughout the flat, there's hardwood floors, original woodworking. You have a ceiling medallion in your living room, double pocket doors that go to one of the bedrooms, and an original decorative fireplace, meaning you can't have a fire in it. The flat itself has been upgraded to have a central heating system, new baths, new kitchen. We get to the first bedroom, which is here. And this bedroom features the other side of the pocket door that you can go to the living room to give you some versatility of how you use the place. Back down the hall, you start seeing some of the plaster moldings and the nice details. There's a large storage closet that is not counted as one of the 6 bedrooms. Bedroom number 2. Features a nice size walk-in closet. You have more windows and stuff in your hallway. Bedroom number 3 has a tall window looking out onto McAllister. And it also has a closet with folding doors. There are 2 full hall baths. The first here has a granite vanity, some fancy tile work. This one has a tub with a shower. The second is another vanity, nice tile, and a stall shower. Our 4th bedroom is the largest, and it has a curve to it. There's a window looking at the building in the rear, which is part of the complex. Pretty nice sized bedroom. Then we go to the kitchen, which has plenty of space for dining and has been remodeled. It has a full-size refrigerator, abundant cherry cabinets. You can store stuff on top of the cabinets. It has a black granite countertop with a black granite backsplash, a full-size gas range with hood, dishwasher, double sinks with disposal, and a retractable faucet. So you use the living room and this as common space, and you have 2 nice common areas. Also features a built-in original hutch. This big window here. The 5th bedroom has double doors, some recessed lighting. It's kind of a little view of the neighborhood. And then the 6th bedroom, which I call a petite bedroom, it's a little window, and it has a door that accesses a rear area. There's a little porch here, and you can have a little barbecue, but you can't really leave stuff out here. It's just a kind of a rear utility area. So you see this room is small. It's got great high ceilings, so a loft bed would probably be its highest and best use. If you're interested in leasing 2066 McAllister, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Have a great day.